Alright, what is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel. You're coming today with a, how-to video, and this one is a special one for you. Alright, so we are going to be going over how to install the new cold pull client from Shinst from the cold community. Pretty cool setup he has going on here. It's the newest iteration, or it's a fork, but of the newest iteration of the Eclipse pool, which you've seen me set up here on the channel before. So this one is just basically a fork of that, which is a cut and copy, and it runs Cole. On the flip side of that, it has a few cool little perks to it. One, it is the first pool to implement in the pickaxe, so now we have boosts. So as you see us set this up tonight, you will actually get to see what that boost fee is, or what the boost does for us. There is a 5% fee on the coal that is mined. There is ore that is mined in the background, but that is being used right now for funding of the pool, and there is works to be added into a vote of like what to do next with the pool. Sign up fee cost is 0. Withdrawal fee is 0, but there is a minimum amount to withdraw. So it's less than this right here now. I think it's 0.1 coal to withdraw now is all you have to have, which is not a whole heck of a lot. Now, when it comes to mining on this pool, you do not have to pay for any of the transaction fees either. So no sign up fees, no transaction fees, and the withdrawal fee is at no cost. So pretty cool for that to work out, as well as they have a Android miner that just was released here recently and does work. There's a few people in the community that are trying it out. I'm not a big phone miner, so I'm not mining this. But Retro Mike, if you're listening, this is for you, buddy. Just download the APK file, and you're good to go on that. But installing it is super simple. It's just as easy as installing the Ore HQ pool. So we'll just head on over here to our Jupyter file. We'll just open up a new terminal. And for the record, we are using a 11th gen Intel Core i7, and this does have an NVIDIA 3070 laptop GPU. So this is most likely a laptop. Before we do anything, we're just going to go ahead and apt update, so that way we are good and fresh, even though we already updated. This is just going to make sure that the repositories are selected correctly. And then, of course, we're going to install a few dependencies while we're at it. Get that done with. And then we are going to apt install curl. Now that that's done, we need to install Rust. So downloading the installer, just press enter for the default. This is all. I have not sped any of this up. This is just about as fast as it goes. So, like this, installing the cargo file for the pool takes the longest. All right, we're done there. Installed. Go ahead and do exit. Reopen up a terminal, and now we can cargo install coal pool client. And now this one takes the longest. So we'll be right back for this one. It's only like 521 packages. Alright, now that that is done, we just got to run the executable, which is coal pull client. Now my favorite part of this is that we have, since we're renting this hardware on Clore to do these videos for you, we can do generate key pair. Now this is a freshly generated key pair. Of course, you can't see some of this information because, well, you know, gotta be safe. But make sure you save all of this information. Save it not on that PC, but save it somewhere safe, so that way you can recover your funds if you do not happen to be able to like withdraw before, like for in my instance, I'll be gone when this thing closes. I'll be out of town, so I will use this private key in order to claim my funds after I am back, or I catch it right on the tail end of it closing out and I get to claim then. Alright, so after you have done that, you can just rerun your cold pool client. Then you need to go to sign up, press enter. This is the hot wallet you just created. You do not really want to create you can sign up with a different public key than the one you've selected, but we're going to use the one we selected, so we're good to go there. Now that that's done, we can click mine, enter. There are 16 threads. I always recommend at least going one thread less, just to, you know, save the hardware, and well, we may also mine on the GPU, so we do just want to save a little bit of headroom. Plus, one thread less isn't really going to change much. Alright, boom, boom, and boom. Now we are connected to the new cold pool client. Simple, just like that. And now going to claim is the exact same way. You know, just running the client, going to claim. We'll actually here, we'll just open up a new terminal for you real quick and we'll show you without actually claiming though. So we'll run cold pool client, and from this page you can actually view your balances or claim your rewards. And when you go to claim your rewards, you can actually claim the rewards to a separate public key, so not the public key that you are actually mining with. So that's actually pretty cool, because that means, and that still doesn't cost you, but that means you don't have to really use the hot wallet that you have created. It can stay a hot wallet. It's pretty cool. I'm just gonna click cancel on that. We don't want to go claim. We'll go view our balance real fast just so you can see the process. And now, of course, we don't have anything claimed or anything mined yet because we just started the client, but you get the drift. So super shout out to Shinst for getting this up and running on such a quick notice, and for implementing in the pickaxe. There's the boost right there. It would normally just be 1, but it is at 0.01. So 1.01 now instead of just a 1. Not much, but it is something when it comes to mining gold. Soon we will have different variants of pickaxes, so that will of course increase the boost there, and also staking. As the pool continues to grow, the staking reward will also grow, and that will increase the pool multiplier. So the longer you mine, the more everybody earns. FA to that. Pretty simple guide for you all today. Much love. Keep your hash rates up. Your watch down low. Make sure you like, subscribe for the bell notification. We will catch you all on the next one. Peace.